change her life, Mr. Wonka. Change all their lives.
Run away!
Every
in the day,
just like a mild horse tranquilizer.
It's a horse tranquilizer? What?
You can't blow it out. It's already in the brain.
Is it a confession?
We suspect that this man killed 14 women, but we only...
I'd ever stay here.
you have no conception of the power they wield.
You can't do this by yourself.
It's not safe. Not with them.
Think on thy sins.
And they answered. You saw what I saw. For once in your life, admit that you are up against something bigger than you.
Darnell's out.
He's out. Third, y'all gonna pay for my daughter's whole education, best schools. And then I want her to go to college, like Harvard or Yale.
How do you like dark, white, and Eddie? Absolutely insane.
Many people have come here to sell chocolate. They've all been crushed.
Well, once you wiggle us on down to 400, and you got yourselves a deal.
400,000?
Why are you whispering? They can't hear you.
Dr. Brandon Edmonds.
Sunshine and traffic. Making a living as a private investigator, it's never easy.
Wait, time out. I think I'm having a heart attack.
Hey. Get out of the car. We're serious people. They should be scared of us.
You think we can call him Jules?
He's no Jules, he's more of a Gary.
Your dad was in here earlier. He said he was buying apples for an alien. There's something awakening in my mind. I can't control it. What did you see? There's a crusade coming.
But...
Excuse me, Darby. Phone for you.
My mom is in the hospital. I have to leave.
Darby, you know the rules.
Touching here. Look, lady, whatever you're selling, I ain't buying, yo.
Well, my name is Skylar White, yo. My husband is Walter White, yo.
Viz had his theories. He believed it was dangerous.
He was right.
You're here?
I have these blank spots. Sometimes I think that night marked me.
Dangerous.
Jack, I think I found something. 3 women were strangled over the last...
On the other side.
Of what?
You want to see for yourself?
Prepared. We gotta start gathering weapons. All of you, do anything to survive, and I mean anything. We have to do something.
These restaurants?
7.
7. And starting from nothing. That's incredible.
What may I do for you?
Any of us want that. Now, do we? How about it, counselor? Do you concur?
Yes, I built them for my favorite spot. He hated them, and I didn't want them to go to waste, so...
Asshole.
Roll
road's closed.
I have to get to Salt Lake City.
No one's getting through until the storm passes. I opened up the visitor center for some folks and waited out there.
I wanted to know if you'd see in me. Because that is who.
I told myself the same thing. Rehab doesn't work, but...
Excuse me, Darby. Phone for you.
Secondo año de química puede hacerlo. ¿Qué clase de aficionado nos has traído?
What's he saying?
We're working it out.
Eso es ridículo.
7 hours ago, and that's the last information we have.
Catherine!
Angela?
If you can hear this, we love you. Please come home.
Can you feel more current coming from any particular direction right now? From that back wall? Or from over there? Or up through the...
We're no closer to finding who's responsible for this than we were a month ago!
We are closer. You want to get nuts? Let's get nuts.
Perfect, just take a sip, say Turbo Rush cures hangovers.
I wouldn't pour this on my if it cured cancer.
As the mentor, Mr. Snow, your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
What is my mentor?
I noticed a change in productivity. You do have a baby at the womb center, right?
Why?
What's going on?
You rushed to him, struck him on the chest, and brought him back.
It was a simple instinct.
But still, with all the history between you two, what you...
This is about not giving up. We have a word for that in Finland.
Get your mind right afterwards.
The world is not ready yet.
I just feel like I can't breathe in here.
We beat to rap what?
Free accord, elected to undergo the procedure known as severance.
Yeah, he was half black, half native.
Uy, don't start talking to yourself.
It's true. You believe it's that?
Well, I think it's pretty clear.
That's
We've got
not
our guy. What did you say, you got or not?
Not.
What?
We'd have put it on the front page a long time ago.
I need you to take down an address. If I don't call back in an hour, give it to the police.
Loretta.
There's more than one.
Oh, fuck off.
I want a broadcast network. I want to see what other news operations we can sweep up.
Local TV?
Dad, nobody watches TV.
Bad decisions. If he's not careful, he's gonna destroy the company.
Emily, you gonna do something?
I think I'm the best option.
Oh, right, because you like playing boss.
This is...
Come on, Drax. Seriously, dude?
No!
Good day. Hey, be home by dinner.
I love you. Good morning, Mr. Fielding.
Morning, Catherine.
Waited out there.
So what's your name?
Darby.
Sandy.
Ed.
What if Paul Atreides were still alive?
Brothers, what does that mean?
You're on trash duty.
Maybe next time you'll think twice about running away and not telling anybody.
Why am I here? I didn't even go to California.
It's called probably.
the room, there was something special about this place. Answer me truthfully. What is this room for?
Don't drag me into this.
What loves?
Now you're just making it sad.
¿Cuál es el problema?
Nice. Whatever.
Lives has changed. Napoleon.
I'm destined for greatness. But those in power.
In franchising because I would be eager to invest.
Well, perhaps we should go to my office where we can discuss it further.
Excellent.
You need to pick a side.
Hey, did you know that an Indian invented potato chips?
Can you please just go?
It's gonna go.
You should have gone when you had the chance.
You can be free of anything but yourself.
But no deals with the DEA. All right, Badger will not identify anyone to anybody. If he does, you're dead.
At the end of the day, I make these statements freely.
Hi, kids. What's for dinner?
Seen anything like this?
Mommy?
No, but there are people out there who have.
The fact that the
I
defendant...
am not crazy! I am not crazy. I know.
I have seen you before, in a dream.
Who you were
Was a myth.
who you
Catherine, it's about 7 hours ago, and that's the last information we have.
Catherine!
Angela?
If you can hear this, we love you. Please come home.
Operation has commenced.
Phones, tablets.
Plane is under control.
You need to see this.
Plane did, of course.
Made you look. Made you look.
What black women gotta save everyone on the...
Damn.
Spotlight.
You're illegally trespassing.
How about this, mother?
Signs of a struggle. Blood on the floor.
What about the girl?
No sign of her either. I'm thinking that he offed her.
What did you do?
This wasn't a random...
Exactly would you do that? Explain to him his constitutional rights under the 5th and 14th Amendments, then hope he waives them of his...
Butchers always got their thumbs on the scales, you know, but good luck arguing that in court. Let me get down to brass tacks. I'm gonna get you a second phone call.
Which I have never heard of. I could totally show you. No! Why have you turned against me?
I saw it.
Your reign of evil!
What are you not telling yourself?
Did you see him run? Did you see him run?
Recognize your cough. Take that mask off, you know, get some air. Go on.
Really? How lucky for me. Would you be interested in franchising? Because I would be eager to invest.
These scars we have make us who we are. I'm not meant to go back and fix them.
was a lie.
Then here, that means a test is coming.
Ladies, I have a plan. Andro, the transformed child.
The people love me.
You are a 13-foot tall black man. They fear.
It is the fastest growing international crime network that the world has ever seen.
We're homeland.
Actor. Has to be me.
How about a film nobody else has seen?
Is it legal?
Will be eventually.
Something that calls for blood.
I want to know how to control it.
The last battle's coming.
What's happening? Ooh, what's a chocolate that makes you fly?
Let's find out, shall we?
Who's for a hover job?
Nothing to see here. Just a
Dead.
Tell me there's a way out of this.
Not a quick one.
To come back.
If you give up, you die.
There are only 14 mountains in the world.
I want you to kill him. And I want you to go clear my browser history.
Say, the firing pin is filed down.
Whoever betrayed us is readying for something cataclysmic. Are we together?
Person, but I am fair. I subscribe to unconventional punishment.
I didn't know it, but there was a dark shadow looming nearby.
She could be a block down the road, or she could be in Moscow, Bangkok, LA.
Over 2 million children a year.
What? I don't get it. What's the kick? Why don't you do it at home like the rest of us with a big flat screen TV, 50 channels of pay-per-view, in a Starbucks? That's not.
Baby's not bored in utero.
Oh, yeah, we don't want any bored babies.
You changed the future.
Do you know what this symbol stands for?
Means hope, right?
And our masks as pleasant, interchangeable helpers. It's tropical kabuki. Aloha. Happy to be here. We're on our honeymoon.
You're such valued guests.
How wonderful that we all get to be here for someone's final performance.
It's not just about winning.
Everything is about winning.
Defendant Schenk. We need to know where he is.
Look, I know he's in prison.
Except he's not in prison. Strong.
Look, I got nothing more to give.
I don't want my brother to die.
You have to be willing to try.
Go! You want to come in, clean yourself up? You are safe now.
Look out! You're lucky I was here.
Maybe you're my guardian angel.
Definitely not. There's too much devil in me for that.
Oh, my mistake really was. I didn't go far enough.
and that our greatest accomplishments cannot be behind us, because our destiny lies above us.
Marie Moreau, you could be the first top-ranked freshman in history.
I think you meant to say first black woman in 7.
Lung cancer.
Even if there's a small chance, we owe this to everyone who's not in this room to try.
Look who's back from the dead.
Now do what must be done.
We gave them some.
One day, the legend will be born. All of
Logan died in Logan, not touching that. What actually happens in our film is these two get out there.
If I did say that, you took it out of context.
Are you gonna gaslight me now?
He's been lying to me this whole.
About him, we would, and he's in town, all right? He's not in Virginia or wherever the hell you're looking for him. He's right here in Albuquerque, and I could take you to him.
Logical warfare against me. You have secrets hidden in there that for whatever reason you don't want me to see.
But he's mental. Anyone can see that.
And you die.
What's in the box?
Pain. You inherit too much.
I can see it.
And Kamala?
Who's Kamala?
Hi.
She can turn light into physical matter, which I have never heard of.
I could totally. I'm sorry I can't be there for you, but you still need something, someone to love. So start with this. I love you.
I like that, Woody. I am satisfied with the current arrangement.
I'm just shitting you.
Get down on your knees.
Fuck him up! We got gold!
La Dolce Vita.
You guys are here to learn about your Sicilian roots? Sounds like a fun boys' trip.
I'm your best friend. Nothing is what they say. I used to think it would take a monster to put someone in a place.
A smile disarms your opponent and makes them doubt their own enmity. I stuck to my schedule when I first discovered.
Can't see any of the dust.
Just make sure you don't play the blues.
What?
White people playing blues music is cultural appropriation.
I play classic folk rock with alternative influences.
I don't know what that means.
What do you know about the multiverse?
Viz had his theories. He believed it was dangerous.
Made you look.
What black women gotta save everyone on the damn time?
Can I have 7 Bing Bang burgers, please?
Come on. And what did I say, man? This guy can cook. You're all right, man. You're all right. We'll get...
Wolf Edmonds is here.
Tell me about Edmund.
Oh,
Wolf's particle physicist.
Fielding.
Morning, Catherine.
And here are your daughters, Angela and Catherine. It's about 7 hours ago, and that's the last.
No.
Brunch?
No. I don't have time for this.
Can't be friends with a girl.
There's lots of famous men and women friends. Laura Dern and Sam Neill in Jurassic Park.
When they dig in, this is it.
What am I doing here?
What you're doing here is you're giving us the opportunity to shake the tree and create chaos. That's what this is.
How you ended up here? Loser.
Hey, I'm gonna kick your little wiry ass. We still.
Congratulations. A handshake is available upon request.
Thank you. May I have a handshake?
Another murder?
Actually.
An empire.
You can help the family. Gucci is not exciting, and everybody knows it.
At least it's my name, sweetie.
Our name.
Sorry, ma'am. The building's closed.
My husband works inside. I'm trying to reach him. I haven't heard from Owen in 24 hours.
Where's my dad?
I've gotten this far with word of mouth and flyers.
Are you the Dicks?
Sure are.
Only people close to you to disappear, are they?
Do you think these are all victims?
Can you see how all of this?
That's nice. That ain't me, man. I was the guy who was selling meth, allegedly.
Inside you, something that calls for blood.
I want to know how to control it.
For your birth and after your death.
This is our home!
Packed down to one rule. It's do not say you want to go outside.
Number one suspect is the bride, Zoe's sister.
Grace didn't do it.
We got a dead body and a whole lot of people to talk to. What's your name?
Yes. Yes.
Hey.
When is this gonna stop, Loretta?
I need you to call in a favor.
Be quick. I don't want to get fired tonight.
Any lawyer worth a dime.
That we are still pioneers, that we've barely begun, and that our greatest accomplishments cannot be behind us.
Covered by flattened out cardboard boxes. 2 9mm 95 grain close range shots to the back of the head. No casings found.
No, Lloyd's not doing that shit anymore.
But this is for a good cause.
Lloyd, Ingmar's here, and he wants you to do some hacking.
Can do?
I'm here to find out. Lose the restraints.
Hey. 8 years ago, we were double-crossed by one of our own.
We're creating a new order. It's only a matter of time.
In their seats, no exceptions, all right?
I need everyone to have their seatbelts. It's your release